We are making iced gingerbread cookies. What day is this, though?
This is day 5 of Christmas cookies.
Day 5 of the 12 days of Christmas cookies.
We're getting there.
I know we are getting there. And Michael just got in from work and he said, I love those cookies that Michelle, his daughter, makes. And I said, I know. And I think this is going to be much like her cookies. So I hope you'll like these too. This is my flour, 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. I've got pumpkin pie spice. And even though pumpkin pie spice has some ginger in it, I'm still going to add a little bit of extra ginger. Maybe like a teaspoon maybe. And then I've got my cinnamon. I've got baking soda. And I've got my salt. And I'm just going to whisk this together. This is an easy, quick cookie. And it's fairly easy to make too. All right. I've got my sugar. I've got a stick of very nice soft butter, Teresa. Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's very soft. So that'll be easy for me to beat up. So we just want to cream this together. And then we're slowly gonna add our dry mix to our wet mix. Okay, the next thing we're gonna do is beat in our egg. Oh, I like that. Even our eggs at room temperature, Teresa, I like that. Now we're gonna add our vanilla. And let it run over a little bit, like that. And then let's see, how much molasses? A few tablespoons, I think it is. Let me see.
Half a cup.
Half a cup, okay. I'm going to use my half a cup one. And I'm gonna spray it so that it'll slide right off that. This always reminds me of motor oil. All right, there we go, half a cup. And look how it's gonna pour out of there because I sprayed it. No fighting with that. We can find something else to fight with, can't we? See how dark and rich that is? Okay, now I'm slowly gonna add our seasoned flour. Oh, that's rich smelling. That molasses, do y'all smell it?
I do.
I do too. It's rich smelling. You smell it, Eddie? Did you say you could smell it?
No.
You can't smell it. Usually you got the nose of who can smell good. A dog can smell pretty good. Now after we get this all mixed together, we're gonna have to put it in the refrigerator. And it can last up to 3 days, this dough, in your refrigerator. So if you wanna make it easy on yourself, you can get your dough ready. And in the next couple of 3 days, when you feel like baking cookies, it'll be right there waiting on you. All right, y'all can see that you could never roll this out unless it's been refrigerated. And I'm gonna get a piece of plastic wrap. And roll it up here because this really needs to sit overnight. We have dough that's already, Teresa made this last night so it could sit all night. And you can see how sticky this is. So we're just gonna wrap this in our plastic wrap. Oh no, we can't let anybody eat that, can we? Good, it comes off. I needed to take it off anyway. This is a nice dough. It's just sticky. Maybe because it's got molasses in it. So we're gonna have a lot of cookies to make. Maybe I can get my girls to take this dough and then get in the kitchen with their children and bake these cookies off.
Yeah, we've done the hard part for them.
I know it. Isn't that the truth? Pretty, pretty dough. Tell me what day it is.
Remember, it's day 5.
Day 5, that's right. They all running together on me. All right, we're gonna roll this out to between 1/4 and 1/3, 1/4 to 1/3 thick. Here we go. Now we got it going on. See, I had a feeling that in some spots at the flour, there was no flour there. Oh, there's not many spots like that one.
They're pretty.
They are pretty. They're fixing to be even prettier because you know what we're going to do? We're going to make a design on them. All right. This recipe makes a pretty, pretty cookie because it's going to have a glaze on it. So we're just going to go like this. We don't want to go all the way through. Don't go all the way through the dough. But, you know, just make some designs like that. And then the icing will go in those cracks. So we'll have like extra icing. And you can do them any way you want to. But it does help to have a crinkle cutter. And that's it. They're going to go in the oven, 350, for about 12 to 15 minutes. So just have fun doing whatever design you want to do. Okay, our gingerbread cookies are ready, and you can see the decoration or the indentions that we used. That was a fork. I'm not so crazy about the fork, but anyway, it's our glaze is 1 1/4 cup of powdered sugar and 3 tablespoons of very, very, very warm water. And you just need to dip them. And that glaze will harden. Let's see. I think the glaze is going to be pretty in the cracks of the cookie. So you could get really, really artistic with your design if you wanted to. I don't think I went deep enough on mine, but Eddie did some, and he went deep enough for the glaze to find a place to live. Yeah, I'm actually gonna rub some of the glaze off. These are going to be so good. So there we go. Iced gingerbread cookies. They're crunchy. Michael and I love a crunchy cookie. So good. What was this, number 5, Teresa?
Day 5.
Day 5 in 12 days of Christmas cookies. And I'm going in for another dip. That icing is good on it, y'all. Merry Christmas.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.